I'm Ray, and you're watching the Corn Dog Caravan channel. My wife Chris and I decided there's more to life than working and doing house projects. So we sold everything we own, built out a Ram ProMaster we call Lotus because others think it's stupid, and are traveling full-time seeing friends, family, and exploring the beautiful country around us, along with our 2 Boston Terriers.
Hey y'all, today we're at Big Bend National Park and we're at the Santa Elena Canyon and it is spectacular. Now, if you followed us earlier, I had a little bit of an attitude. This park was just a little,
We're both a little cranky. It was a long ride. Slightly underwhelmed with Big Bend so far. I mean, it's pretty, but
it's totally redeeming itself. So we're gonna go walk in the canyon.
we gotta cross the river again.
We're about to cross the Rio Grande. Okay, let's do it.
Oh yeah. What this bird?
Vahepeal on parem. Jah, noh, sul nüüd juba võiks tagasi tulla ja
So guys, we hope you liked the track of today's hike here at Big Bend National Park.
We're at the Santa Elena Canyon, where half of when you're going into the canyon, the left side is Mexico and the right side is the United States, with the Rio Grande going right through the center of it. It has been absolutely stunning. I know in our last video we were cranky.
We were cranky.
We're eating our words. We were not impressed with Big Bend driving in. You won't be either, but you gotta get into the canyon. You gotta go
this is
all
the
the
number
way.
one.
Yeah, go all the way down the Ross Maxwell Scenic Drive to this canyon and do the hike. It is glorious, absolutely glorious. I take back every negative thing I said yesterday. I was tired.
So if you liked the video, hit that like button. If you've got other comments you want to add, if you've been here and found some great spots to share with others, because we did very little research.
I think we scratched the surface.
We scratched the surface. And it is early March, and it's starting to get warm here. It was 82.
In the sun, it's really hot.
So if you're
Take
not
your
a
water.
subscriber,
I'm sorry.
hit that subscribe button. Yeah, bring your water, definitely. I don't care what time of year. And some snacks, maybe some good ones.
So
Anything else?
subscribe, hit the notification button, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks, guys.